Yo, how's it going, fam? Andre Manny back at it again with another video here. And today I just want to go ahead and explain on this buy that I got in for Euro AUD. So on Euro AUD, I did also take in this trade on last night's live trading session with all Pits Profit Club members. And we had to place a buy limit. We placed a buy limit on Euro AUD, right? So let me go ahead and explain real quick here. So if we look at the weekly time frame, here on the weekly time frame, we could see how market has came back down to its lowest point, testing into our weekly accumulation price candle prior that we had over here in the past. That has been respecting very well and just been mitigating around that area. So respected once, twice, currently 3 times over here. We came into that third tap in and we created that spring to the upside to come in and fulfill its imbalance area that we have right here on this weekly time frame, which imbalance, like I always say, it's an empty gap in the market that has to be filled in no matter what, because that's empty price. So it's price that has to be fulfilled. So over here, we look at the weekly time frame. We could see how market started creating this rally to the upside, which is that spring coming up, right? So it created that spring and just start creating a little small retracement to the downside, which on lower time frames, such as the daily 4-hour, we could see how market clear out liquidity over here, which is buy side liquidity, to start creating this retracement coming down into our new and most recent accumulation price candle that we have right here on this weekly time frame, which is this last bearish candle that we created before the rally to the upside. Market came perfectly into that area, tapping into that open of the candle and starting to get rejected. So that right there is where we had our buy limit down here. So we come into the daily time frame. Here on the daily time frame, we could see with more clarity how market started to react, right? So right here on the daily time frame, we could see how the spring occurred here. And we tapped into the daily accumulation price candle around that 50%, which is an area that tends to mitigate around the 50% or opening. In this case, it came into that 50% of that accumulation price candle that we have right there. Come into it, tested it, and just create that retracement. Overall, the market is bullish, right? So we have an overall bullish market based on the weekly time frame. So therefore, this accumulation price candle is not really going to keep on pushing the market all the way down. It's just going to push the market to create its downside retracement into its daily accumulation price candle, which is this one right here. We came into that daily accumulation price candle, respected it, and immediately bounced out, right? This right here is where we have our buy limit. We had it on our opening up to 1 hour, which is the buy limit for the opening of the 1 hour buy limit inside that 1 hour accumulation price candle that we have down here. So on top of that, when we came into this 4-hour time frame, we also had even another confirmation of imbalance area of the 4-hour time frame. So we had this 4-hour time frame imbalance. The market has to fill in no matter what. Like I said, it's an empty gap in the market, right? It's an empty gap is where you see pure pressure of buyers coming in, which is the banks, institutional banks, to do what? To come and wipe out equal highs or buy sell liquidity from the past, which we did right in this area. Creating more buy sell liquidity up here, which is where we had that retracement coming down to now clear out the new buy sell liquidity that we have up here. Why? Because we already came and cleared 11 equal lows, which is the zones right here on those 11 equal lows from Euro AUD, which is the sell side liquidity. Once we clear that sell side liquidity, what does market do? Market comes down to what zone? Our accumulation price candle that we have right here, which is our last bearish candle before the push up. Why? Because that's a candle that had never been tested before. On top of that, we do also have our 4-hour liquidity void. So a liquidity void is an empty gap in the market, which is a small little gap that you guys, it's pretty hard to identify for beginners who don't really know how to trade institutional trading. But for experienced traders that already know how to do institutional, it's not as hard. It's pretty much the last either bullish or bearish candle, which is our institutional candle, which is that big candle, right? It's the big bullish candle that we have. And we're going to leave behind two candles right here and right here. So we grab that from the wicks and we create this little empty space in the market, which market has to come and fill in price, which it did. It came lower in this case to come and test the accumulation price candle and respect that area to start getting for buying positions. So this right here is where I have my buy limit area. As you guys can see, market came perfectly into it with zero to no drawdown in the zone. And we are currently up and running right now as we speak around, so right now we're up 32 pips. Like I said, we had no drawdown, but we come into the 1 hour time frame here. Here on the 1 hour time frame, we could start seeing and verifying more movement to the upside for Euro AUD, such as this small retracement that we had currently created right now, coming into our new 1 hour accumulation price candle that we have right here, which is getting rejected perfectly. I already got super rejected right there, pretty good to start rising to the upside. Right now, currently, our stop loss, we already have on break even. So if we are to hit stop loss, we don't lose anything at all, and we don't win anything at all, which doesn't really matter. Why? Because we're securing the trade if anything was to happen and go the other direction. So you guys want to always make sure that you always move your stop to break even. And once you're already up at some good amount of pips, or 30, 40 pips, that's when you should start moving your stop loss into break even. Or once you see good market structure towards the side that you're seeing market that you want to go, that's when you move your stop to break even. So with that being said, I mean, this is why I got in for a buy on your UD with all my Pitch Perfect Club members. Now, if you do want to be joining my live trading sessions with all Pitch Perfect Club members and all my students and take this live trades alongside with me, just go ahead and click the link in my bio, and that'll show you over to Pitch Perfect Club. Click on Pitch Perfect Club, and that way I can see you in my next trading live session inside the London sessions that we do inside Pitch Perfect Club. And if not, also on YouTube, you can click the link in the description, and that would also send you over to my live trading sessions. With that being said, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Go ahead and like that smash button so we have that algorithm going up, and you guys could see more of my content inside your social devices. So therefore, everybody have a great day and happy trading to y'all.